Sanjay Jha, would you take that question, sir?
Sure, sure. First, good evening to you, Pranesh. Since my friend here, Dr. Ranganathan, gave an example or an analogy of bad judgment in terms of medical treatment, there is actually, you don't have to create or manufacture an analogy. There's a real one. Patanjali actually promoted a drug for curing COVID, and Mr. Narendra Modi's government kept quiet. And the Supreme Court had to intervene. So I think Dr. Ranganathan needs to start charity at home. I'm not even trying to create a narrative for a debate. I'm giving a real life example where Mr. Narendra Modi's government is culpable for allowing Patanjali to mislead the innocent viewers, consumers, and the ordinary citizens of India. But let me answer your question. Rahul Gandhi and the entire country, Pranesh, is witness to the following since Mr. Modi became Prime Minister. Infrastructure scam, airports falling left, right, and center, parliament under deluge. Can you imagine a government that can't even prevent the water logging of parliament? Can they really protect India's borders? You have exam scam. You have an UPSC scam. I mean, you have leaks happening in the Ram temple. I mean, this is becoming an absolute banana republic management. What has Rahul Gandhi done? He's actually surprised the BJP by anticipating what they are planning to do. What would the BJP normally does? Look at it, Pranesh, over the last 10 years. Whenever any political personality becomes a threat to them, they use the famous washing machine model to harass that person. Make a charge, put them in jail, file an FIR, try and create another character assassination story.
No, Mr. Sanjay Jha,
Rahul Gandhi has called that bluff.
But having said that, even if you think that the BJP is, trying to harass its political opponents, look what they've done to the Aam Aadmi Party leaders. By them, I mean the agencies. Arvind Kejriwal and his, fellow colleagues of the Aam Aadmi Party kept saying, look, I'll be raided. Mere Sahyogi pe ko search kiya jayega, bulaya jayega. Half of them are in jail. So you think this tweet is sign of Rahul's fear? Because Rahul Gandhi has famously said, not once, but many times, Daro mat, darao mat. Let's play out that reaction.
Pranesh, let me answer you very quickly.
I'll come to you, sir. Let's quickly play out what Rahul has been saying.
डरो मत डराओ मत और दूसरी तरफ शिव जी कहते हैं डरो मत डराओ मत अभय मुद्रा दिखाते हैं अहिंसा की बात करते हैं त्रिशूल को जमीन में गाड़ देते हैं और जो लोग अपने आप को हिंदू कहते हैं वो 24 घंटा हिंसा हिंसा हिंसा
गुरु प्रकाश, राहुल गांधी कहते हैं डरो मत डराओ मत, बीजेपी कह रही है ये जो पोस्ट है उनका, ये इससे राहुल डरे हुए हैं, ये साबित होता है.
No, Pranesh, I think Congress party has very able and very specialist expert media department. They should do a press conference tomorrow. कल वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करे और ये बोल दें, ये घोषित कर दे कि राहुल गांधी संविधान के ऊपर हैं. Actions speak louder than words. You don't have any faith in the rule of law. You don't have any faith in the judicial process of the country. If there is something happening, and this is not the first time, it's a big if. It's a big if which I'm attaching. If ED comes, will it be the first time that Rahul Gandhi will be questioned? Umpteen number of times, nth time, Mr. Rahul Gandhi will be questioned. But why create this fear psychosis? There is a scam. Mr. Rahul Gandhi is out on bail, period. And everyone is equal in the eyes of law. कोई भी व्यक्ति कुछ भी कहे, राहुल गांधी, अरविंद केजरीवाल, सोनिया गांधी, they are not above law. कानून की दृष्टि में, लॉ की दृष्टि में आप सब बराबर होते हैं. I want to say this pointedly, but I think Mr. Rahul Gandhi and the Congress elite establishment, they live in a different world. There is a significant real estate movement that has happened under the National Herald scam. Mr. Gandhi, his family gets the ownership of 2,000 crore worth of properties out of nowhere. Who is answerable? Who is accountable? But जब जांच होती है, जब judicial process होता है, जब constitution अपना काम करता है, no, I am above the law.